So there is a slight interruption. Let us see 41 question. So 1 by 10 ships are sunk in a random sample of 5. At least 4 are arriving safely. Same, here there is a contradiction. Here question probability is given, ratio is given about sunk, I mean drowning, sinking. So drowning. But the question is asked about reaching safely, arriving safely. So random sample n equals to 5. So this is the question, guys. Now 1 by 10 ships were sunk. 1 in 10 ships are sunk. That means 9 in 10 ships were arriving or not safely. So 9 by 10 is arriving safely. Now look at here. So 9 by 10 arriving, question is asked about arriving. So this becomes small p and this becomes q and n equals to 5. Same. Let x be the number of ships arrives safely. Number of ships arrive safely. Therefore x follows binomial distribution with parameters n comma p. Let us calculate this. P of x greater than or equal to 4, n equals to 5, greater than or equal to 4 means P of x equals to 4 plus P of x equals to 5. This by using the PMF, n is 5, 5c4, 9 by 10 whole power 4, 1 by 10 whole power 1 plus 5c5, 9 by 10 whole power 5, 1 by 10 whole power 5 minus 5. So this becomes 5c4, nothing but 5, 0.6561, 9 by 10 whole power 4 and 0.1 plus 5c5 is 1, 9 by 10 is 0.5904 and anything power 0 is 1. Final answer 0.3280 plus 0.5904. The final answer is 0.9184. Look at this question. So 1 in 10 ships are sunk, 9 in 10 ships are arriving safely. Question is asked about arriving safely. So the P should be taken as 9 by 10 and Q should be taken as 1 by 10 and the random sample n is given 5. Let x be the number of ships arriving safely, where x follows the binomial distribution n comma p because n and p we have taken. So at least 4 are arriving safely. That means P of x equals to 4 and P of x equals to 5. So 5c4, 9 by 10 whole power 4 and 1 by 10 whole power 1 plus 5c5, 9 by 10 whole power 5 and 1 by 10 whole power 5 minus 5. Conclusion 0.9184. That is the final answer. Okay. This will go ahead to the next problem. So next question, question number 42. Here they are asking about literates. Just read the question. There are such 100 investigators. So 100 investigators, it seems. The proportion of literates are given 1 by 3. That means P is literates 1 by 3 and random sample n is given 5 and capital N is given 100. Then P is 1 by 3. Then what about Q? 1 minus P. So 1 minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 is Q. So let us calculate. They are asking us to calculate at least 2 are literates. And clearly you see, guys, n is given. That means along with the probability they have asked the number, expected number. Expected number means, as we have always discussed in the class, n has to be multiplied to the final probability which we get. Am I clear? So n is given. Whenever n is asked, I mean n is given, definitely the question will be asked somewhere the number rather than probability. So clearly observe the question and solve such kind of problems. Wherever the n is given, see the question carefully, be very cautious. N has to be multiplied at the end. Whatever the answer you get, the probability, that probability should be multiplied with this n, then you can write the expected number, exactly what the question is asked. So n is given 100, p equals to 1 by 3, n equals to 5, q equals to 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. So n we have, p we have. Therefore, question, let x be the number of literates. So let x be the number of literates. So it's a binomial distribution problem. Write the PMF. X equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on, n. Question is asked about at least 2, I mean 2 or more. That how many of the investigators out of 100 had reported that 2 or more were literates. So that is a question. So first of all we need to calculate at least 2 are literates. So at least 2, n is 5. So we can calculate 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 4 we have to calculate. Rather than calculating 4, 1 minus of probability of 0, probability of 1, if you calculate, that remains at least 2 or not. So 1 minus p of 0. So 5c0, 1 by 3 whole power 0, 2 by 3 whole power 5 minus 0 plus 5c1, 1 by 3 whole power 1, 2 by 3 whole power 5 minus 1. So 1 minus of 5c0, 1, anything power 0, 1, 2 by 3 whole power 5 is 0.1316 plus 5c5 is 5, 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 whole power 5 minus 1 is 0.1975. So final answer you write down 1 minus of 0.1316 plus after multiplying or 0.3291, that is equals to 1 minus of 0.4607. Here come the final answer 0.5393. So this is guys x, at least 2 are literates. But what we want exactly the question finally? We want the question 2 or more. We want the question 2 or more are literates. This probability, out of 100 investigators, how many of them had reported? They had been reported that out of 100. So n into p of x greater than or equal to 2. That is 100 into 0.5393. Here come the final answer, around 53.9, approximately 54 investigators had reported that 2 or more people are literates. Clear guys? So this is the question number 42. Carefully observe, n is given 100, capital N, total number of investigators, and probability of taking illiterates ratio p is 1 by 3 and q is 2 by 3 and n equals to 5, random sample. Let x be the number of literates. Calculate at least, I mean 2 or more are literates. P of x greater than or equal to 2. X follows the binomial distribution. Substitute in the PMF. You will be getting answer 0.5393. That is a probability, at least 2. But we need how many of the investigators had reported that 2 or more were literates. So 2 or more literates, we calculated 0.5393, that has to be multiplied by n. So you'll be getting, out of 100 investigators, 54 investigators had reported that 2 or more were literates. This is a question. So next, binomial distribution, question number 43 and 44 are homework. So practice at home. Clear? Question number 43 and 44 from your exercise questions. Okay guys, now these are the basic problems in binomial distribution. Now I am going to discuss a very important concept, fitting of binomial distribution. Fitting of binomial distribution using the concept for finding probabilities, for finding frequencies. So in two ways the fitting of binomial distribution is going to be calculated. This question guys, it is very important concept. At the same time, the same kind of question